Palantir stock is soaring in 2025. It's up over 140%, even though it's come down off its highs a little bit in the recent week or two. I'm going to talk about why so many investors are excited about Palantir stock right now. So in its most recently completed quarter, Palantir generated their highest ever reported revenue growth rate of 63% year over year. And that exceeded the high end of their prior guidance by 1,300 basis points. 13%. So when Palantir gave investors a forecast of what they expected to achieve in the upcoming quarter, they told investors that, look, 50% is on the higher end of what we think we'll achieve in revenue growth. So if we get to 50%, it'll be a very good quarter. Palantir actually delivered 63% revenue growth, 13% above the higher end of its forecast. So that got investors excited because forecasting a revenue growth rate at 50% is already extremely attractive. But then Palantir went ahead and beat that guidance by 13 percentage points. And it's not like Palantir is doing this while losing money on the bottom line, while offering discounts and promotions and incentives for its services, which is causing the company to lose money. That's not the case at all. In fact, Palantir's profits and profit margins are soaring right along with its revenue growth. And that's really what's creating a lot of the enthusiasm. It's not just revenue growth, it's the combination of revenue growth and expanding profit margins that's really fueling the demand for Palantir stock investors. You can see here a chart of Palantir's operating cash flow to sales and its operating profit margin since 2018, and you can see the phenomenal rise in these metrics since that time. Its operating margin has increased from negative 100% up to 21.8% in the most recent trailing 12-month period. In fact, since 2023, its operating profit margin has increased by nearly 4x, from 5.4% to 21.8%. Meanwhile, its revenue growth has accelerated in that time. The operating cash flow to sales ratio also expanded to 46.6%, up from negative 6% in 2018. An operating cash flow to sales ratio number of 46.6% is among the best of all of the companies I'm following, and I'm following roughly 300 companies. Click the link below to watch the full video.